My name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If you are new to this channel and are interested in any of those topics, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell. So on this video, we're going to discuss 6 builder-grade items that you should replace in your home. When you purchase your home, or the home you're living in, and you can make adjustments to it, don't feel like you're obligated to keep certain things in your home. At the same time, if you're getting ready to purchase a home, don't feel married to the items that are there. Those things should not influence you to stay in a home or to purchase a certain home. It's okay. These builder-grade items should be replaced. So the first things I would like to recommend are replacing your different light fixtures. Now those builder-grade light fixtures, they are so plain. They typically don't have a lot of style, or if they do have style, they may not be your style. The style may be very modern or contemporary, but maybe you're more of a transitional or ornate person. So don't feel married to that. Go ahead and change those out. The next one is doorknobs. So builder-grade doorknobs are pretty much just standard. They're not fancy, they're just there. And they may not do exactly what you want them to do. So maybe there's locks in the doors for the bathrooms and maybe the master room. But maybe you have a home office and you want to put a lock on that door. Or maybe you don't want to have a lock on another door. So don't feel obligated to keep those doors, those doorknobs. Go ahead and change those out. The next option is faucets. I love the Collier commercial where the family goes in, or the husband and wife go into their architect's office and they say, design a home around this faucet. That is one of my favorite commercials. So with that being said, your faucets should definitely reflect your lifestyle. It should reflect your style and what you want in your home. So it's not rocket science. Just call your plumber and replace those faucets. Easy peasy. The next one is window treatments. Now I love a good window treatment, but I know every window treatment is not for everyone. Maybe you're a blind person or a Roman shade person, or you just want a nice balance. Either way go, do not feel obligated to use whatever is in your home when you purchase it. Feel free to update your window treatments. Now I will leave a link to my design service webpage because one of the things we do are custom window treatments, and I would love to give you a consultation. The next one is flooring. Don't feel obligated for the flooring. A lot of times I watch home shows where someone goes into a home and they'll see the icky carpet and think, oh my god, I don't want to buy this home, this carpet is horrible in this room. Well, carpet, unlike paint, is one of the well, not unlike paint, but in addition to paint, it's very easy to replace. If you want hardwood floors or ceramic tiles, just rip that carpet up and put what you want down. That should not be a deal breaker. And last but not least, I just kind of lumped these together in one section. These are my honorable mentions. So I always replace, or I would always replace, toilet seats. You can replace doors, and you can also replace like your sinks and different things like that. So once again, you have your home. It is a beautiful home. It can be a shell, and it is your responsibility or your duty or privilege to decorate it to your liking. So those are some of the things that I recommend updating from the builder grade to something that you want, and all of them actually will not break your bank. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and then also subscribe to this channel if you're new. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.